Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mantle Inu token. Ticker symbol is Minu. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 7th, on a very big central exchange. Now just be aware that there's been many tokens with the ticker symbol Minu. I actually just did a video maybe 2 weeks ago on a token that got listed on P2B crypto exchange with the name Minu and ticker symbol Minu. It had a very similar Doge looking Shiba Inu type of profile picture as well. Very similar. This is a different token. Name of this token is Mantle Inu and ticker symbol is Minu, so don't get confused with the other tokens. We're going to go over the information on the Mantle Inu token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this coin here is listed on CoinGecko and is actually up 28.6% today. It's doing very well, and it could be because of this brand new listing announcement. So it was just announced that this coin will be listed on Bybit starting February 7th at 10 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get the Mantle Inu coin and you don't have a Bybit account, all you would have to do is download Bybit from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Minu, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So on their webpage, it does have a buy now button, so you could actually buy this token now before the Bybit listing by getting it off of fusionx.finance/swap. So it says explore the Minu universe. Endless universe, infinite products, limitless adventure. It does have a DEX screener chart that you can check out as well on their webpage. Tokenomics, all that type of stuff. Looks like they have a Git book too as well. They have a full white paper document section, whatever you want to call it. They show you how to buy too right now. So basically it says create a wallet and get some ETH. Download a MetaMask wallet, or you could use Trust Wallet, Coinbase wallet, whatever decentralized wallet you want to use. Next, load some Ethereum into your wallet to swap for MNT. I guess they're saying so swap for MNT. If you don't have any ETH, you can directly buy it on MetaMask. Transfer from another wallet or buy on another exchange and send it to your wallet. Get some MNT. Go to Uniswap, connect your wallet, and then swap ETH for MNT. Paste the token contract address, and then they have the address into the token search bar to swap for MNT. You should have some MNT in your wallet now. Take note that you may not be able to see your MNT tokens in your wallet when you first import them. So then bridge your MNT onto the Mantle network. So that's what blockchain this Minu token is on. And I mean, that's a easy way to tell also the difference between this Minu token and the other ones is they are not on the Mantle network. And then, then it goes through how to purchase it off Fusionx by trading your MNT tokens for the Minu token using the contract address, and then you can check out the chart on CoinGecko, or you can check it out on Deck Screener to see how your tokens are doing. And yeah, so if you want to skip right to their document section, just go to mantle-inu.gitbook.io/docs. The Minu terminal is a Telegram interface to access your favorite Mantle ecosystem decentralized applications. So that's what this project's all about here. So Minu terminal currently supports trading on Mantle. We provide a suite of features that help simplify on-trade execution over the Telegram interface. Stay tuned as we integrate more of your favorite decentralized applications. So it says here, for first-time users, to get started with the Minu terminal, follow these easy steps, and you can check that out on their document section. So it says, at Minu, we truly believe that a new wave of meme coins is upon us. Many meme coins that existed solely off their innate memetic and speculative value have largely now fallen off a bit. Only the major ones remain, and we know like Doge, Pepe, Shiba Inu, etc. We believe that the next wave of meme coins, if we want to be a proper vertical within the world of Web3, we will have to adapt or face absolute extinction via users' pump and dump exhaustion. In essence, meme coins at their core will need to be more value additive before even considering being extractive. This ties in well with our motto at Minu. Users should only give us value insofar as we provide them with more first. In other words, we truly believe that for meme coins, first and foremost, that there is to be continually earning and deserving of our trust of our users. How we aim to do this will be a two-pronged approach for our community, the Minu-verse, and adding to the community. So what is the Minu-verse? It's a suite of product and service offerings for the Minu community. So there's going to be a whole ecosystem empowering seamless access, flywheels as different products will be crafted. And our number one goal is to enhance user experience. So there's going to be a Telegram trading bot on the Minu terminal. And there is a terminal product guide that you can review to how to use the bot. And yeah, so then they have token trading, how to buy on the Minu terminal on their document section, how to sell tokens. All that stuff is available on there. On their webpage, they have a roadmap starting with launch, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, get 420 holders. That's pretty funny. Get Minu trending on Twitter. Launch the first product, more holders, central exchange listings, ecosystem expansion. Then they're going to come out with merch, more holders, central exchange listings like Bybit, and then a meme takeover. So go check this token out, being listed on Bybit tomorrow. And it's on the Mantle network. You can check it out on Deck Screener and CoinGecko, and you can get it off of the Fusionx.finance swap. So go check it out there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.